Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's been a while, but today's video is going to be a tutorial. I am going to be talking about the iOS 14 home screen, just customizing everything. I posted this on my Facebook and I didn't think that it was going to blow up like that. But I've been getting a lot of DMs and I didn't think that people would be interested in learning how to do everything. But if you guys are interested and want to know how I got this setup here, I will go ahead and show you guys the setup closer. But yeah, if you're interested, stay tuned to this video. Hi guys, this is my setup and this is what everything looks like. I am not a professional at this. I just kind of wing it and just do whatever I like, especially with like the styles and the layouts and the theme. But I'll go ahead and show you guys how to do everything. Alright, starting off, make sure you updated your phone to the iOS 14 and make sure you download the Widgets app. And once you download the app, there's different widgets, like there's small, there's medium, and there's large, but as of now I don't have any large widgets. Alright, so I'm gonna go ahead and add a small widget and I'm gonna click on it and I'm just gonna click on the picture. There's different styles and stuff that you can put on it, different fonts, tints, and background colors. But I mostly use this either for my calendar or for the pictures, and it's mostly because of the pictures. But on the bottom left, there's a photo album. You can click that. And for each specific photo on my layout is in a different album. So yeah, I know that's kind of confusing, but like if I had like a photo album of all my favorite photos and there's like 10 photos in there, once like I put that widget on my phone on the layout, they would like change photos and it goes through all my photos, and I didn't want that. So like for all my quotes, I have it in different albums. Like I have a widget 1, widget page 1.2, I have a quote, and then I have a picture of the bouquet, and quote 2, 3, and 4. And then yeah, so I'll go ahead and just select a random photo, and that's just a picture of myself that you guys seen before. I can go ahead and change it to my recent photos, but right now let's go ahead and choose a picture. Alright, for example, I want a picture of my boyfriend, okay? And then I'll just go back and then I'll click on here and then I'm gonna rename it, and then I'm just gonna put boyfriend. So it's gonna say, I'm just gonna hold the bottom, and then on the top left I'm gonna click the plus sign, and then in the search bar you're gonna type in Widget Smith, and then the size that you want. Obviously it was a small, and then it will add on there automatically, and then you can change it to whatever style you want, however you like. Okay, let's just pretend I want it like this, so similar to like that one. Do I want it like that? How about if I do it on the bottom? Oops, wrong one. And then I do like that. Alright. The fact that it's blank, I will have to hold on to it and then do edit widgets and then choose. So because this is a small, these are all my small widgets. And I'm going to click boyfriend and it's going to pop on there. And then I can like still rearrange it if I want to. Whoops. As you can see, the photo changed, and it's because the album has different photos. So it's going to change all the time. If I move it again, they might change, I don't know, but that's why I decided to keep all my widgets in separate albums, which is tedious, especially for me because I had to actually make the albums. I'll go ahead and show you guys. So I can go ahead and show you guys all the albums. It has like here, one picture, and all that stuff. So yeah, it's kind of tedious, but it is what it is. Um, if you, it's all the effort that goes into all this stuff. But anyways, that's how you do widgets. And for me, I go based off on theme. So as you guys can see in this picture, it's more, my theme is gray and pink. We were wearing gray and pink for most of the pictures here. And then I do try to keep it minimal. This one, I just found a picture on Google of a bouquet of flowers. Absolutely love it. It makes the whole thing all put together. This one, yeah, it's a little too much. This one is a little too much with the balloons, but I don't have a lot of like pink and gray photos, so I'm like, I gotta use what I can. But yeah, I'll go ahead and show you guys how to do your icons. Alright, so to do icons, I use a variety of apps. And here are all my editing apps or just anything that has to do with photos and cameras and all that stuff. So I use Eraser, which is one of my favorite apps. And I also use PicMonkey. So I use Eraser for stuff that needs to be erased, like the letter N. You can tell that this Netflix logo is transparent. And for me, I like to have my icons transparent so I can see the color of the background instead of just like the letters being filled in whatever color they are, such as white or black. So I can go ahead and find a picture for you guys. Sorry, I was looking at some movies earlier. Let's see. So I did something like this earlier. I'll add it to my photos. And then I click on it. So because I want to get rid of the white spot, I go to erase, target area, I click on it, done. And then if I want to erase the little sign here, I'm just gonna go erase and done. So now I have a Target logo, which I did create it, and let me go show you guys right here. So that's my Target logo. So that's how I make my logos, to have a transparent or PNG. And then once I do that, I go to PicMonkey. Sorry, I did a Target, a Walmart one. I'll go ahead and show you guys. I go all the way to the very end because I found that this works best. And it's a square. I click my photos and I have all of my different colors for my theme. So for me, when I choose this, I had to choose like different shades of like grays and different shades of like a blush pink, dusty rose color. So let's go ahead and do this color. And I click next, and then on the very bottom you have all these stuff that you can add and edit and do so much stuff with. So I click graphics, and obviously you can use the graphics that comes with it. I'm gonna go ahead and use this one because this one is already done, and I'm just gonna shape it in size that I like. And then once I have that, I'm gonna save it to my camera roll. Alright, so after doing so with your icons, whatever you like, you can customize it. Honestly, you can just find whatever you like on Google and use that as well, and instead of having to customize it. Let me show you guys examples. You can type in story highlight covers and they have some already done for you. So this is basically kind of like how I edit my icons for my Instagram story and my Facebook story. But anyways, we're gonna go to shortcuts. And then these are all my shortcuts. I have a lot of shortcuts. On the top right, I'm gonna click the plus sign, add a action. Obviously, I'm just gonna be open app. So you have to make sure it's open app because you're obviously opening an app. And then you're gonna choose what it is, which is Netflix. And you're gonna click next. And then you're gonna name it. And after that, it's gonna be right here. I'm gonna click on the little three dots. And then I'm gonna click on the three dots again. And then I'm gonna add it to my home screen. And this is where you change your photo. you're going to click on the icon and then choose photo. I'm going to click on the letter N, adjust it however I like, and it shows your preview. If you like it, add, and there we go. Now you have your icons. So there is a lag when you click on your icons because it has to go to shortcuts and then to your app. It goes on with a thing like anything like that. Sorry about that. I don't know if there's a way to fix it, but that's how it is. And then once after you're done with doing that, you can go ahead and organize your layout. So your layout is whatever you like. Oops. This is the hardest part for me, just fixing it, seeing how I like it. So for me, I like this page the way it is. Obviously this page was just kind of me showing you guys how to add widgets to your screen. You can add big widgets, small widgets, little widgets, whatever you guys like. Yeah, and that's basically it. Alright, and that is it for today's video. I hope the tutorial was easy to understand and easy to follow. But yeah, if you guys did enjoy this video and it was helpful, give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more content. And if you guys do have more concerns or just want me to go more in depth about like the process of certain things about this video, just comment down below or personally message me, and I'll be more than happy to help you guys, or even like post another video about how I do certain things. But yeah, I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye!